Do you want to create online courses but don't know where to start? Or perhaps you've already created an online course but you want to know if there are more efficient and a faster way to creating your next online course. Or maybe you've tried to submit your course for approval and it didn't pass the review process. And now you're ready to learn about all the steps necessary so your course will pass the review process easier and quicker. If any of this sounds like you, then you're in the right place. Please note that this course is not for best-selling online instructors. This course is perfect for those who have never created or published an online course, or those of you who have created your first online course, but now you want to learn quicker and more efficient ways to creating your next online course. My name is Cha Zhe, and I'll be your instructor for the duration of this course. I've been an online instructor for over 10 years. My courses are taught in 140 countries to over 20,000 students worldwide. I've also been a best-selling Udemy instructor since 2013, and some of my courses are rated in Udemy's top 10%. As a professional online course creator, every time I create a new course, I try to find faster and more efficient ways to launching a course. So what I've done in this course is create a one-week plan to helping you with the step-by-step process to creating an online course from start to finish. You can take this plan and speed it up to creating your next online course in 3 to 5 days, which is what I do. Or, for those of you with jobs or other full-time obligations, you can take this plan and stretch it out to fit your busy schedule. This course is rich with handouts, checklists, and my personal day-by-day guidance for each important step in the online course creation process. You'll also learn about technology needed to creating your first course, and no worries, I'll show you how to get it done on a shoestring budget. I will teach you what to do first and what to save for last, so that you don't have to repeat any costly or time-consuming tasks. You will also learn how online courses may differ if you want to create your own online school or if you want to publish them on a third-party site, such as Udemy. If you have knowledge to share with a global audience, then this one-week plan will show you how to take your knowledge and package it into an online course. If you're ready to live the mobile lifestyle and earn passive or multiple streams of income, then online course creation is for you. Or maybe you just want more time for yourself and your loved ones. This one-week plan will help you get started. If this sounds like music to your ears, then you're in the right place. Click the enroll button right now, and I'll see you in class.